Well, sadly, a week after his first win of the year, and on a weekend where he won his heat race in the main, Justin Barcia ended up crashing, breaking his collarbone, his right shoulder, and also 2 ribs. At the end of this video, if you want to watch his Instagram post or his social media post about it and hear the whole thing, you can do that, stay for that. But as you can see, coming off the Dragon's back, he either missed either who knows what happened. He nose picked into the ground and, well, subsequently hurt himself, broke his collarbone. You can see right there, that was some serious pain because he didn't get up at all. And it sucks because this is, 2 rounds left now, so all another factory guy down. It's really bad, especially considering motocross is starting soon. This is downtime for the shoulder, the collarbone surgery fix, and just downtime off the bike, and then trying to get back into shape and testing for motocross. But hopefully he heals up fast and he, continues momentum from supercross into motocross. But if you like this video, click the like button down below. Comment how long do you think he's going to be out. If he's going to race motocross, how many weeks he's going to be before we see him again. Whatever you want, comment it down below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Watch the whole rest of the video if you want to see his post, and peace.
What's up? Been a tough few days, but just want to give everyone an update. I had surgery on Monday on my collarbone. That's feeling a lot better today. I ended up breaking 2 ribs and broke my right shoulder. So the shoulder doesn't need any surgery, so that's great. I'm feeling a lot better today, and the next few days are just going to keep getting better and better and better. Hopefully I can start training soon. Obviously not dirt bike for a little bit, but just wanted to give a shout out to everyone this season. It was definitely, for me, my best mentally and physical supercross season. Really enjoyed it, had a lot of fun. Definitely a bummer to go out this way. Things happen though, it's motorcycles, and I can't wait to be back racing hard and stronger than ever.